Oh, he's going berserk.
Sometimes I question why the hell do you bother trying to video? Redemption. Oh. G'day. G'day. Hey guys. Well, after last week's little schmozzle, I've been stewing on it all week, so I had to come out again, have another crack at them. And yeah, at the start I thought, oh, here we go, another ordinary hunt, but yeah, things came pretty good. And yeah, anyway, I'll let you watch the footage and make your own mind up. But hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, help the channel grow, and we'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy. Sometimes I question why the hell do you bother trying to video? The big camera, scratching around trying to get it focused in. I think it's just a bit too dark and it wouldn't focus for me. Don't know what I picked up on the GoPro, but I had that pig about 15 metres, and just about to squeeze a shot off, and he cut my wind. So, all because I was mucking around with bloody cameras. Anyway, they just went up over the hill here. I don't think they spooked too hard. No young silly fellas, so I'll get up over the hill here and hopefully they haven't gone too far. Blowing.
Oh, he's going berserk. Redemption. Oh, I wasn't sure how that was going to go for ages. The wind was sort of just shifting towards him. This big fella caught me twice. There was that sow there that kept him interested, thank God. You little beauty. That's what happens when the bow's on and the knock stays in the arrow. That worked out. Could not have worked out any better. I wish I had my big camera set up. I didn't want to muck around with it. I'll just go back here and grab that other arrow. Well, there he is. Can't believe after last week, so unlucky, and then you can come out the week after and everything just works in your favour. It's unbelievable. So, as you saw, I had a shot at him earlier and it hit a tree. He was at 30 yards then, and yeah, hit the tree, and they just looked up and then kept nosing. I thought, oh, thank God. Look at that. She's wedged in. The old cougar couldn't cop that. So it would have taken about, I don't know, probably 15 minutes, maybe longer, to actually get into range. Like, he kept offering a shot and then moving, and then another pig had come in the road, and I had the GoPro on, but like, anything over 20 metres is really hard to see on the GoPros, as some of you probably know. So I didn't want to muck around and not get a crack at him mucking around with the big camera, trying to get it set up and focused, and so I just decided, nah, I'm not going to risk it, especially with this pig. So yeah, just hopefully the GoPro picked it up pretty well. But the old sow's on heat, or yeah, I think she's just about to come on heat, that one, because he was sniffing about. But yeah, he's got both his hooks are busted off, and he's got all big cut marks from scrapping. You know, he's a really good looking pig. White head on him, white nose, white socks. I mean, they don't get any nicer, really. And that, I don't know, you might think I'm a weirdo, but that smell of boar pig, yeah, it's a weird smell to love, but I absolutely love it. So. But yeah, shot was, I'm thinking he was probably just a bit over 20 metres, and yeah, quartering away, as you can see by the arrow. I just followed his opposite leg, followed it up, and yeah, let loose, and yeah, must have knocked out his spine on the way through or something. So, but yeah, double lunged him. You can see all the frothy blood there. But yeah, after last week, I'm so happy with that, eh? So I was dirty. Those 3 pigs are the ones that I spooked. I would have shown the footage on here anyway, but I'm glad, because I would have spent time mucking around with them. shooting them and having a look at them, whatever. But when they got away, this fella met up with them. So yeah, everything worked out good for once. Anyway, I might go for a bit more of a wander. Got a couple of good spots. I wasn't expecting to run into anything here, but a couple of good little gullies just up a bit ahead. We might have a look at. So yeah, it'd be nice if I can bump into that one from last week. He's in this area, but I don't know, that's just made my day, and yeah, made up for the disappointment of last week. So cool, we'll get moving.